I think I actually like filming these cycle check-ins in the morning, the day after. So probably from now on, I will be doing that, and hopefully it's a little bit more beautiful in the mornings than it is at night. So yesterday was cycle day 4, and me and my partner, we moved from the south of Bali up to Ubud, and yeah, so waking up and packing up and getting ready. We're in a car for a couple hours driving. Um, yeah, it was pretty exhausting, and I was really tired when we first got here to the new house. And that's not, uh, yeah, it makes sense as I did not take very much rest on day 1 and 2 of my cycle. So day 3 and 4, I was hit pretty hard with exhaustion and fatigue, and along with other health related things like iron deficiency, make that a little bit more difficult. So yeah, I took a nap. Cycle day 4 and napping. I love napping during my bleed, and our bodies need more sleep and while we are bleeding. So that was a really great thing to have available for me yesterday was the nap. So that was nice. And then we went out and bought food, and the place we're staying has an outdoor kitchen. And so making food yesterday was really beautiful. And um, I just love this connection to nature that is available here. And um, as you can see, I am working outside now too. So that connection with nature I love, especially during my bleed, and it helps me to root down and ground myself when I'm able to earth and, put my feet on the ground and sit on the ground to work. And yeah, so that's a really great thing. Yeah, I was still cycle day 4, still feeling connected to myself. I'm feeling a lot more connected to my partner now. I feel that I'm slowly coming back into wanting to interact with other people more, and that usually involves my partner first. So by day 3, 4, um, 5, I'm feeling more connected with him, and yeah, so that's a really beautiful thing that happened on cycle day 4. Mm. Yeah, so just sitting here contemplating life and what is ahead as um, in this transition I am in, this life transition, but feeling connected and present because I am in still my inner winter phase and cycle day 4, and yeah, I'm just loving being in the present.